Alrighty friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with the final steps of our rocket design brief challenge. If you remember right, we were using a design brief and the design process to develop a Tinkercad rocket, meeting these guidelines. You had to have at least 2 stages with a transition in between them. You also need a crew compartment that has been hollowed out and has seating for 3 astronauts, and it must be between 50 and 200 millimeters tall. Before you started, you needed to get into Google Drawings and you needed to build your design process. You list your real problem, you label what the research is, and you label the requirements that I put in that document before the design brief. You brainstorm some solutions with your partners, and then you develop a Tinkercad solution. Those all need to be filled in. These last ones do not. The next step was for you and your partner to design a rocket in Tinkercad. Here you can see one that I made that meets the minimum requirements. It has got the 2 different stages, it's got a transition, and it's got the seating for my 3 people. You have lots of different ways you can do this. There is a video that gets you to this level, but I prefer when yours are way more epic. When you are happy with your design though and you've met the requirements, you need to get an angle where you can get a good screenshot. Of course you can right click orbit, but I haven't taught you how to shift right click where you can drag it up and down as you adjust your views. You can get all kinds of cool views once you understand how that shift pan works as well. When you've got the exact view that you want that shows all of your design requirements, you need to take a screenshot. I'm going to use the snippet tool. And I'm just going to click the new button and I'm going to grab that awesome snip. And then I'm going to move back to my Google Drawing. And here is a nice feature about the snippet tool. If I do Control V to paste, it will paste that picture right in there. I can then squeeze it down and use my labeling skills to label all the important parts. You'll have your requirements listed here. I'm going to just go by memory and I'm going to add the first one. So I'm going to put a little text box here and I'm going to type stage 1, squeeze it so it's smaller, and then use the select tool and grab the edge and drag it down where it belongs. And I'm going to actually draw a little arrow so it's actually connected. So that way people can tell it is stage 1. If you want the words clear, you can do it like that. You could also go back to your shape skills and you could add a cool shape showing what each one is. So up here I would double click and I would type capsule, or the correct wording was crew compartment, and we could arrange and align and get that spiffy as well. When you have completed this whole project, you can take a screenshot of it with snippet tool. You can also do file download as a PNG, and you can turn that in Google Classroom as well. I always save to my downloads folder. I've got my name on it. I'm going to put a 3 after it just because I've made a few of these. And then you need to return to your classwork and you need to find the assignment and add the file. If you've got some real classy pictures of yours, I will let you add a couple of extra pictures. You're just required to have the one that I just showed you right here. Upload. Turn in, and pat yourself on the back for being awesome. Friends, I hope at the end of this you've got a better idea of what a design brief is and how to use the design process, and had a lot of fun building a sweet rocket in Tinkercad. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a like. If you've got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.